Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to round numbers in Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So just so everybody's aware, when we round the number, it will actually change the number, so it's not like it won't be displayed the same. For example, 89.5178, if we round to no decimal places, it's only going to show 90, and that'll become the new value, so it will become 90. So just keep in mind, if you're working with a very large data set, it might throw off your sums a bit, but if that's really within the margin of error, I really wouldn't be that concerned with it. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by first going over to the column right next to the numbers we want to round. So we're going to do equals and then type in round, so R-O-U-N-D, so round, and then do a parenthesis, and then you want to left click on the first number in the series that you want to begin rounding. So I'm going to select this 89.51, 78, and so forth, and then you want to type a comma, and now you're going to enter the number of digits you want to round to. So I'm going to say 0, like I don't want any decimals here, and then I'm going to do a closed off parenthesis, and then you want to hit enter. So now you can see it's been rounded, and if you just drag it down, it should do it for all of them because it is formula driven. And you see you can't fit them all in here, so I'm just going to expand it a little bit. And you can see now we have all these extra zeros in here, and they're all still formula driven. So if you wanted to get rid of all these zeros that are being shown here, I'm just going to select the entire column up at the top, right clicking on the E, left click on Format Cells, go down to Currency. I'm going to select decimal places to 0, and then I'm going to left click on OK. And you see there's still formulas here, so I'm just going to, if you want to get rid of the formulas, I'm just going to select the entire E here, right click on it, left click copy, and then I'm going to go back again to the E, right click on it, and then I'm going to left click on paste the 1, 2, 3 one that says values, so just pasting over it. This is good if you're going to be pasting it somewhere else and it's not going to be tied to some formula, because formulas do break. So now you do have just regular text here that has been rounded from this original column. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.